pass, all right? You've already done the spotting pass. So now you should have two things, your sound inventory list and the start of your emotion map. This list is gold because we're about to use it to generate a sound cue sheet for this movie. So what is a sound cue sheet?
A sound cue sheet is your sound plan for the whole scene. It tells you where each sound belongs, exactly when it starts and ends, which layer it lives in, and how it was generated or sourced.
That last part matters in AI filmmaking because you're going to generate sounds fast and you need a clean record of what's AI generated versus sourced somewhere else. Now, to create a sound cue sheet, we need timings. Precise if you can, estimated if you can't.
Either way, we need in and out times. So go back to your inventory list and add timings. First, beds. Beds should be continuous throughout the movie.
So if your film ends at 29 seconds, your cafe bed is basically 0 to 29 seconds. It can duck under dialogue, but it should not disappear.
Next, Foley. Right when each Foley starts and ends. Example, footsteps, 6 seconds to 9 seconds. Cut fidgeting, 7.3 seconds to 6 seconds.
The point is, make it syncable. Now, designed emotion. This is where we convert what happens into an emotion map, beat by beat, because designed emotion follows the emotional arc.
Here's an example of what a beat looks like. Beat, 5.2 seconds to 5.7 seconds. Zoom into Alex's hands fidgeting nervously on the paper cup. Emotion, anxiety, dread. You'll see the full emotion map in the additional materials. And here's the rule. If you can't name the emotion, don't guess. Just describe the observable behavior, the camera, and the timeline.
Now, once your timings and beats are written, you take that list to ChatGPT and you ask it to generate a sound cue sheet that follows this workflow. Beds, Foley, designed emotion, and punctuation.
That's it. Your job now is to timestamp your list, map the emotion beat by beat, and generate your cue sheet. With the cue sheet generated, next prompt ChatGPT to generate 11 Labs sound effects for each layer. Here is a sample prompt.
Act as a senior sound supervisor and lead audio engineer specialized in performance-grade audio production. Create a studio-grade sound cue sheet utilizing the provided times list and nuanced emotional arc information. For each entry, generate an 11 Labs optimized prompt for beds, Foley, and designed emotion, ensuring all prompts prioritize high fidelity, clean transients, and studio dry characteristics, where appropriate, to allow for professional post-production. Here is the result. It has 11 Labs prompts for each layer, timed placement guides, and fade rules. Below is the sound cue sheet table, which includes the source of the sound and file name.